Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be covering plugs. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I've had some questions over Facebook and on the channel, so I thought I'd just cover this. The questions were on the plugs. These are known in the book as core plugs. The old timers would know it as a soft plug or a freeze plug. Do the same thing. When this actually this is water behind it on your block. When this freezes, this actually should design to pop these out. Save your block a little bit. So core plug, soft plug, or freeze plug. Okay, when you measure it, you got to measure the sides. Okay, with your caliper here, or you can use your ruler. This is 1 3/8 if you do it this way. Okay, not all of them are the same size, as we cover that. And in the manual, like this is the manual I use here. Okay, this is the only 2 spots in this whole book that covers the plugs. One picture to show you how to push it out and one to put it back in. And it explains a little bit about how it seals. Okay, when you look at the side, this is the side of the freeze plug itself. Okay, it is not square here. It's got a round curve to it, and this is part of your seal. Okay, when you put these in, you want to make sure that you want to the Dodge wants you to put a Permatex layer around here first, or they call it a seal or whatever they're going to do it, but Permatex 2 or something like that. Put that on the edge so when you push it in the hole, that'll actually help you form a seal. Okay, when you go to put these in, you want to try to get the biggest socket you can that fits inside of here. Okay, the smaller is going to actually cause the center to dent in. So you'll want it to be nice, big, tight fit like this here. Okay, you see that? No slop. So that's going to be a really nice fit going into the head. Okay, so that's what we're going to try to do. Okay, so that's how we're going to put it in. So I'm going to show you a couple things about putting these things in, and let's go there. So you're going to have one soft plug for every cylinder, and the ones that get forgotten the most are 2 of them back here. Okay, it's this one right here. You got this one, and then you're going to have one back here. There you go, right there. Okay. There you go, that one there, and this one here. So this engine has 2. When you rebuild your motor, always make sure you put those back in. They get forgotten. If you go to replace these or repair and you forget those could actually rust out. You're going to have antifreeze come out of the bottom here, drip, and it's going to be coming down on the back side of your oil pan, and then you'll play hell trying to figure out where that's coming from. They always get forgotten, so always pay attention to those too. Okay, I'll put you back together. Alright, so I put this in here. It's just tapped in for now, and we're going to show you how to take them out and show you how to put it in. Then we're going to cover the soft plug. This is emergency purposes. This is not a real soft plug. I just kind of made this just for the video. But if you purchase it through AutoZone, it's good. This rubber is going to be the same diameter as this hole. Okay, when you put that soft plug in here like this, okay, and then you crank this nut, that rubber will expand up and actually tighten up, and it'll look like that. Okay, and it'll seal it. It's not a permanent way, but it'll get you home. Okay, but that's what they look for here, or look like. Okay, so I tap this in here to get these out. Okay, They're going to be a little stiff. If they're rusted away, and these are meant to rust away, okay, because I got ones over here, it's getting rusty on the back. They rust from the inside out. If they get rusty, they'll more likely be on the bottom. And what you want to do is on the top, you want to tap on the top part, or the best or the good part, and you want to tap it in like this. It'll teeter-totter, and it'll come out like this. Then you can just take pliers and pop this out. Okay, so it's not that hard. Let's just do that. Okay, so that's snuck in there here. Just tap it out. Okay, that's how they come out. These came out. I'm going to put brand new ones in. So I kept these just for demonstration, and I don't throw any parts away until I'm done with the motor. Okay. To install them, where'd my hammer go? Got my hammer back. Okay. This is one we want to put back in here. Okay. Okay, so it's not all the way in. You want them flush right here. Okay, all the way around. That's what you're after. You would already put the Protex on the seal section, so it'll go in. So that's flush right there. That's all you would need. That's as far as that goes. That's completed, done for a brand new one. And again, to pop them back out, hit the top section of it, and she'll teeter right out. Okay? That's how they come out. Alright? All of them, the smaller ones, they all work the same way. Okay, now prior to installing your soft plugs, your freeze plugs, you want to clean that seal up. I'm sorry. You want to clean this up right here. Little emery cloth, nothing vicious. Okay. Want to make sure it's a nice, clean, shiny surface all the way around. We're not gonna change the diameter or nothing. We just want to clean that port up a little bit. Do a nice, good seal. Okay, that's what we're after. Nice, clean seal. Then you can go ahead, put a coat of Permatex right on that, and then drop your plug right in there. Okay.